Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reveal your private key within the MetaMask wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet application on your device and proceed with providing your biometrics or your password in order to log in. After logging in, you will end up within the wallet page. Now, if you wish to access your private key to store it for safekeeping, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Security and Privacy and then scroll down until you see the Show Private Key option. Now just tap on this button and you will need to provide your account password in order to verify your identity. After providing your password, you will now see the option to reveal your private key. Just tap and hold within the given lock icon and now your private key will be revealed to you. You can tap on the Copy to Clipboard option in order to copy this and paste it somewhere else for safekeeping. You also have the option to reveal the QR code that can also be used as your private key. Tap on the Done button to return from this menu, and now you have successfully backed up your private key. You can use this key in order to re-access your account anytime in the future. And there you have it. That is how you can find out your private key on the MetaMask wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.